boom, we're back. Back with it. Alright. Trade recap, per usual, and back testing. So, trade recap for today. AM was terrible. If you traded an AM, nice, but I didn't. I also just didn't want to wake up. But I did catch something in PM session. Let's go full screen in this slut. So, we swept this external low here, or we didn't sweep it on NQ, but we swept it on ES here. This low, we had some nice SMT. I waited for some nice displacement on the 1 minute, which initially I entered here. I waited for the rebalance, and then I was like, okay, we're definitely going higher. CE respect of this general range. Okay. CE respect. You can't make this shit up, guys. Look at that. Look at that accuracy, bruv. Displaced out of CE, I entered right there. And then we formed bearish SMT with this high. No, this high. So I closed, but I still I mean, we just took out that really external draw. We had SMT there. We're probably going to run higher, maybe to this high. So I entered again when I saw this nice candle here. And I took it up until we formed bearish SMT with this high. So I think I hit like 50 points total. 1,300 bucks. Back basically to break even on my eval, so dubs. But yeah, W's overall. That was a pretty decent trade. My emotions were in check. Didn't crash out. I would have been fine with break even, but luckily we hit TP. So yeah. So let's get into. I hope you guys could see my trade. My face cam might have been too big. But yeah, let's run backtesting now. Right. So Monday the 3rd, 10 a.m. p.m. Oh, that's the 5th. What the fuck? Oh, I'm in May. Oh. Alright. PMI on the Monday. And we have Trump speaking as well. So, I mean, it could be terrible. It could be fine. We'll see. We have SMT there. As of now, we have bearish SMT with that high. That feels like the more probable. Also have bullish SMT here. What are we doing on higher time frame? Hold up, guys. Alright. So, no SMT there. No SMT there. I feel like we're bullish. Obviously, I could be totally wrong. But let's see what macro opens does. Okay, now we have some nice turtle soup there. What time is this? 9:45. Okay. I think I'm gonna short this. Even though we have bullish SMT, I think displacement is a key. Obviously, I could get stopped out, but that's part of the game. All right, boom. W's. Let's go to the next day. Okay, bearish SMT here. What was news? March 4th. Trump speaking again. So, I mean, obviously this could go terribly wrong. But, oh, wait, one more candle. Extra confirmation, yeah. So, had the right narrative there. Obviously, live market, you're going to catch discretionary pays, something like that. Like a 1-to-1. But, right narrative. So that was actually really good PA. But, yeah, I just didn't want to force anything. So we're going to skip that day. Beautiful. Bullish SMT. What was news? Was this Wednesday? Wednesday the 5th? 10 a.m. news. This is a really good setup, so I'm gonna take this. Yeah. W's. This is March 2025, by the way. Very good month. So yeah, we'll see what happens next day. Thursday the 6th. 8:30 news. Trump speaking. Waller speaking. I'm still gonna trade it like normal. No SMT there. That's fine. Let's see, higher time frame. What are we doing? Like really close to that low. Okay. Think we're gonna go for that draw. All right. Yeah. So, I mean, obviously, live market, you're probably not going to trade Trump speaking unless you're really a savage. But that's not me, guys. That's not me. I tried to be a savage, and it didn't work. So we're trading safely from now on. Call me a pussy. I don't care. I'm going to be making more money than you in a year. SMT there. All right. Yeah, W's. Bullish SMT, displacement, civvy disrespect. We're honestly, we'll probably get that high. I'm being completely real. Nah. Monday the 10th. Some nice SMT there. Low key, we missed the move. Yeah. Yeah, missed the move. But yeah, GG's. $9.37. What was news? Who's calling me, bro? Hello?
Hello.
Who's this?
This is Shane from Advanced Care with the courtesy call to let you know about a new health subsidy where anyone below the age of 65 are getting health credits, and you can use these credits for daily living. How old are you?
I'm 67.
Can you please repeat that again?
6'7".
I'm sorry, you don't qualify.
Fuck.
God bless you.
Fuck. Pardon my immaturity, guys. I thought that was kind of funny. All right, 10 a.m. jolts. 10 a.m. jolts. Let's see what we doing here. Nice SMT there. I don't feel like we're gonna respect this SMT, honestly, based on what I'm seeing here. I think we're gonna respect that one though. Obviously, we're bullish. Higher time frame. Whoa, that was lucky. All right, but we had to manipulate again before we run up. Market can't move without manipulation, guys. All right, so Wednesday the 12th, 8:30 CPI. Beautiful. Um, these days are pretty light. I should have noticed that. Is that SMT? No. Fucking hell, dude. I don't care. Alright. Um, Was there 10 a.m. news? There was 9:45 news. Oh, not even for New York. I'm gonna short because I think we're gonna run this SMT. Right. So we're probably gonna react to that right now. Yeah. But honestly got lucky there. Alright. But we were disrespecting the SMT, just running lower. Gotta manipulate something. What was news? This looks terrible. 830 PPI. This looks god awful, bro. Right. Skipping that day. Prelim, amazing. Right. PXH. I'd like to see. Oh, we just took out this high. I think either way we're gonna get this high, so I'm gonna long it here. Word. So we kind of got edge there. Probably at SMT. Yeah, SMT there. All right. No big deal. All right, word. Absolutely running that busy. No SMT here, as far as I can tell. Okay, we have SMT there. Beautiful. So, yeah, just running that busy. I'm just gonna target like CE of that one. Yeah, stops below or above the displacement candle. Bear. Dubs. 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 So we filled that new week gap. We have crazy SMT here. Crazy SMT. Honestly, ideal entry was something like this. Yeah. Right. Pretty basic, standard bearish continuation. So we still have this gap here. Like to see that gap get filled. Probably won't happen. Oh, we already filled it on ES. Right. SMT with this low. Okay, got ran. I'd like to see a rebalance. Oh, wow. So honestly, ideal entry was like right here. Targeting that or even that. But we'll probably, I'm still going to take this even though obviously, live market, you're getting a better entry than that. We still have SMT there. Yeah. Thursday the 20th. 8:30 unemployment claims. 10 a.m. home sales. Kind of manipulating multiple times here. Right. That's all I'm going to target. That's all I need. Word. PXH standard. PXH with these highs, we're taking out liquidity, we're rebalancing, we're displacing higher. It's pretty simple, guys. If like this month, March has some of the best price action of the year, in my opinion. The strategy is so simple if the price action is beautiful. It's so simple. If the price action's a little worse, then it is more difficult. But SMT there. Okay, looks like we're gonna run it. It's probably no news Friday. Yeah. So this isn't amazing. I'm just gonna skip this day. Right. Monday the 24th. Crazy news, bruh. 9:45 news. We have it looks like we have SMT here, but I don't think we do. Okay, we might. We also have a new week gap there though, so obviously we're gonna need to manipulate higher, but we have news in 3 minutes. I'm still gonna enter. 25 points, not worth it. Okay, now we have PXH. So guys, I mean, in my opinion, if you're going to enter a trade pre-news, bro, we seriously got edge right there. All right, terrible PA, terrible. Trump speaking makes sense, but overall that was a dub. Um, like if you're gonna enter a trade before news, if it looks really good, either the RR has to be amazing or you have to de-risk. So, I mean, that's my advice. Do what you want, obviously, but that's what I would do. Whoa, whoa, whoa. All right, stopped out there. Pattern traded. That was my mistake. I pattern traded that. The civvy disrespect. But yeah. Some 830 medium impact. Trump speaking. This short does look pretty good. Internal manipulation, SMT. The only thing is how this candle closed. All right. Word. Dubs. Thursday the 27th. 8:30 unemployment claims. 10 a.m. pending home sales. So y'all know the protocol for that. No SMT there, as far as I can see on the 15-minute. Okay, we did fill that gap. The setup does look pretty good, honestly. Right, I'm getting a call from my bank, so I'm gonna end this early. Sorry, y'all. Peace.